friends, it's Lisa Marie. I'm just popping on to show you guys how I made these little glue holders that we did at retreat this what was that, like a week and a half ago. So all you need is, I have a piece of designer series paper and it is 2 1/8 by 6 inches, and I've already cut that down. And then you need these little guys. I went to Lowe's. I don't know which is which. Don't laugh at me. Oh, you need a 1 by 1/2 inch reducer bushing, and you need a 1 inch PVC coupling, 14 inches of ribbon, a 2 1/8 by 6 inch piece of DSP, and then I have a 2 1/4 inch upholstery pin. You don't have to have an upholstery pin, but it looks cute and it is good for getting the little glue that gets stuck on the tip sometimes. It pulls it off for you. Then you don't have to use your fingers. Say hello if you're popping on so that I can see you. I'm gonna see if I can get this to go. Sometimes I can see comments and sometimes I can't. But anyway, so I went to Lowe's. This is what I did because I had no idea what a reducer bushing or a coupling were. I mean, I kind of could, I knew there were things that were going to go together, but that's all I knew. There are, I think I only have one kind in here. There's different types of these. They have some that have a little bit wider base. They all work as long as they fit like this. And so I took my glue bottle in my purse to Lowe's with me so that I would know. And then I just kind of went, yep, that's the one. That's all I did. So I'm going to move this guy out of the way. I'm going to leave that off for a minute. And you're just going to take that designer series paper and you're just going to add it to it. That's it. So we're going to take some tear tape. And let's see how I want to do this. I want it to go this way. It's going to end up overlapping right over the... Oh, wait a minute. I want to go the other way. I want to go this way. And I also did one in the middle because I didn't want it bubbling up. So I'm just going to give that a little rub. I saw another demonstrator do this and I screenshotted all her measurements and not her name. I feel horrible. So if you know whose idea this was, if you would tell me so I can share it, that would be awesome. Or if you're her, maybe you'll see this, right? I'm just wrapping it around and then I'm just going to come around this way. But I'm going to go ahead and add a piece of tape there. Again, I just don't want it like all bubbly. So I'm just going to peel this off like so. And I'm using the Hues of Happiness because I think this is really pretty paper. For retreat, we focused on the new in colors, so we did it. Everybody got a different one and a different in colors. Like that one's got ink on it. But so just there's the parakeet, there's the Tahitian tide. That's it. Then you pop that little guy in there. We're gonna add some ribbon to it. It's like so super easy. Let's see what we've got for ribbon. Oh, this one's pretty. Let's see, we could do a fancy schmancy one. Here, I have a bunch of this retired ribbon, and I think it actually matches pretty well. So we're gonna just take this. This was that frayed grosgrain. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna wrap it around like that. And I'm just gonna make a knot. I'm not even gonna do a bow. And I need some scissors that have something stuck on them. Oh, I want to do it this way. There we go. So now my glue will sit in there. My little pin, I can push it through the ribbon a little bit and then it'll stay. These are really sharp and I did find them on Amazon. But that's it. Isn't that pretty? And you could personalize this any way you want. If you're worried about the ribbon sliding, you can stick a little glue dot there. Hey, Christy. I was just showing everybody how to make these real quick. Super easy. There's the ingredients, the things that you need. And in case you're just popping on, this is what it looked like. Let me see if I can still pull it off. Yep. So it was just this little PVC, and then this little dude just goes in there to make the little foot. I don't even glue it or anything. And then your piece of designer series paper, I just did tear tape. And ta-da! That's it. That's how you make them. And I think they were under $5 without the glue. I mean, I want to say they were like $3 and some change. Maybe, under $4 probably. And the pins, I think you get like 30 in a little box when you order them on Amazon. Our Walmart didn't have them. But maybe Joann's or somebody would have them if you didn't want to wait for something to order. What I really like, though, is that I can leave my lid right in there. It doesn't fall out the bottom. So I can do this while I'm working, and then I don't end up with a glue mess. It stays right there. There you go. That's how you make them. Super cute. I think everybody enjoyed those at retreat, and we did all kinds of different ones. I really like that paper though. I might have to make some more like that. You could embellish it. You could do whatever your little heart desires, right? So there you go, you guys. Thanks for hopping on, and I hope this helps you out and that maybe you'll make some. We'll talk to you later. Bye.